Okay, today I'm here at the Orange County Fair. And I'm here to try this huge burger. This is from Tasty Chips and Tasty Burgers, and they're having a 50th anniversary this year, I guess. And this one's called Mondo Beef Birria Burger. This one's really large, but it is $19.75. So oh, it has looks like a brioche bun. It's got the red onions, pickled red onions actually. Oh, and it says hatch chilies. Oh no, hatch cheese sauce. Oh, I guess that's under here. Oh, and the bun is toasted, nicely toasted on the bottom. And it's a third-pound beef patty, a splash of consomme, and then the beef beer is right here on top. Pico de gallo slaw and chipotle mayonnaise. Oh, I think the pico de gallo here is under the burger. There's the pico de gallo slaw. Lots of this chipotle mayo. Oh dear, I've lost some birria. Oh, let me try some of the birria by itself. It's very tender. A little different than most birrias I've had because it's got like this like a what do you call it almost like a rub on it. Whereas a lot of birrias they're sitting in the consomme sauce, so they're soaking up all that stuff. I mean, it's not bad, but it's different. Very tender though. How am I gonna do this? It's just gonna be messy. Okay, we want to dedicate this burger to two people actually. One is Paul from Critical East Japan. He has a series called Burger Brothers, where he goes to different burger places, and then also since it's called Mondo, Beef Birria Burger, to Mondo from Five Fires. This thing is huge. Even though it's 1975, it's probably worth it. Okay, I don't know if I can get my mouth around this. Uh, okay, this was very messy, but very good. Pickled onions are really good. Well, let me try some of this slaw. Slaw is nice and crunchy. Two bites in, I already need another napkin. Mm. This burger is actually delicious. There's lots of different tastes in there. Slightly spicy because of I guess this chipotle mayo, but not super hot. And this is yes, definitely A plus material for me, or as Mondo would say, five fires, so 30 and five fires. Does Paul give ratings? I don't remember. Well, highest rate, whatever his highest rating is, that's what I'd give it. Yeah, this is a lot of food too. So my husband and I will be sharing this for dinner, and we might even be taking some home. We've been eating all day. We also have Patrick here with us, so he's been helping us with some of the other foods. Yeah, this one's definitely really good. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.